Let the summer rain just fall. It's here to help us all. I'm heading outside to just stand still, and I close my eyes, and with a wide smile I feel a tinker